Hello students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus, and today you are watching class 8 English class, and these slides are prepared by Safaran, language teacher of Dhaka Secondary School. So students, our today's topic is third week of April, and in this our learning agenda is the Taming of the Shrew drama. Okay, in this drama we learn the characters of the drama first, and then I'll teach you the summary of this drama. Okay, what is there in a short way. So now students, I move towards its first part, characters of the drama. So character is the most important part of the drama, and here comes the first and important part, Baptista. So Baptista is a rich man of Padua. So Padua is a place where this Baptista lives, and he is a trader and he is a rich man. Then Catherine, so basically Catherine is the daughter of Baptista, and she is the eldest daughter of Baptista. Bianca is his younger daughter, who is sweet, and Petruchio. So Petruchio is a gentleman of Verona who come to Padua in order to get married with this Catherine. Here comes Hortensio. So Hortensio is a gentleman of Padua. He lives in Padua. There comes Vincentio. So Vincentio is an old gentleman of Padua. And Lucentio is the son of Vincentio. The eighth character of the drama is a tailor. And the last one is a hat maker. Okay, so all these are the characters of the drama. Baptista is the rich man of Padua. He is a trader. So Baptista has two daughters, Catherine and Bianca. So Catherine is the younger one or elder one, and Bianca is the younger one. Catherine is so rude, but Bianca is very sweet in behavior. Petruchio is a person of Verona who comes to get married with Catherine. Hortensio is a gentleman of Padua, and Vincentio is an old gentleman who is the father of Lucentio. Okay students, these are the characters of the drama. Okay, now I move towards the summary of the drama. So here comes the part of drama. Baptista Minola has two daughters that he wants to find husband for. Okay, the story starts from this part that Baptista has two daughters and he wants to get married both the daughters together. Okay, so Bianca is the younger one but sweet one and quiet one daughter, and everyone in the Padua wants to get her married with. But his older daughter, the older sister of Bianca, Catherine, was not good. She was quite wild, angry. Her behavior was not good, and Baptista is worried about her. So how can anyone come to get married with her? So however, Baptista put a condition, because everyone wants to get married with this sweet girl Bianca, but no one wants to marry with this Catherine. So he puts a condition that he would get married, he would go for marrying both the daughters together. Okay, so this is the first part of the drama. Then comes the second part. So Lucentio, a young man from out of town, sees Bianca and falls in love at first sight. So Lucentio is a person who comes from out of town, and when he sees first Bianca, he falls in love with her and he wants to get married with her. Okay, and in the first he disguises himself as a Latin teacher to spend some time with her in order to understand her, and after some time he opens his truth to Bianca and told his identity to her, and after listening this, Bianca turns out and likes him too. Okay, and she also wants to get married with him. But the problem is on the other hand. Actually, there are other suitors who wants to get married with this Bianca, but Bianca started liking this Lucencio, but the problem is on the other end, and her elder daughter, no one wants to get married with her. So they made a plan, and Bianca likes Lucencio the best. So in the next part, Petruchio is another person who comes Padua to get married with Catherine, but when he comes to learn about the behavior of Catherine, he was a bit shocked, but he made up his mind to get married with her and try to mold with her. He wants to get married with her and wants to domesticate her. He wants to tame her. Okay, he wants to mold her behavior so that they can live together in a happy way. So when he comes to know and he came here and gets married with her, in the first, Catherine and Petruchio do not settle with each other easily. But with the passage of time, Petruchio molds Catherine, and Catherine teases him in the first, but with the passage of time he molds her and he acts meaner, crazier than she does. So Catherine is not allowed to eat or sleep, and Petruchio confuses her by doing things like pretending that the sun is the moon. So this is what the case there. Okay, he molds her like this. So even though Catherine and Petruchio fight a lot at first, they eventually learn to get along. Okay, they learn how to go with together in the last. So in the last, at a wedding celebration for all the marriages, Catherine surprises everyone by acting differently than she had at the beginning. So when he molded her and they lived together happily, so in the last, everyone when comes to know regarding this, they were surprised, but they were happy that she was molded. Okay. Okay students, now I hope you learned this story and got it. Thank you so much.